Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I got this tool cart from Lowe's. It's a 141 piece set with tool cart for $179. Now that's a pretty good deal. And this cart has two locking casters. They're pretty nice and reasonable. You got two shelves. This is the bottom. There's the top. And then the third is a drawer. And when you open up, there will be tools in here. Now, like I said, it came with a 141 piece set. And then you have your top shelf right here. Nice handle. The handle is made of plastic though. So that's one thing I don't like about the cart, is it's made of plastic. I wish it was metal. So I would advise to get this cart. It makes working on your car or whatever that you're working on a little bit easier. Now, the other thing I got at Lowe's is this, and it's a pretty big item. So it has a nice lid. It does come with two keys. It does come with a smart key security. So you can have your house key or your shed key or any kind of key, and you can make it recognize those keys. So that's, I found that's pretty nice. So this one does come with a nice metal handle, which I like. And these handles up here are metal as well, which is nice. These drawers up here are locked. But if you open up this, then the drawers become unlocked. And these drawers are pretty deep. Now, this has 12 drawers. It's 41 inch by 24.9 inches, and it's 63.4 inches in height. It has 39,000 cubic inches of storage and 1,200 pounds capacity of weight. It does come in green, but I decided to go in black because maybe over time I would look at the green and go, ugh, why did I pick that green? But anyway, these drawers are pretty deep. The handles, give a good shot of that. So on the top of my workstation, I got my computer here. And so my computer, I'll look up car parts or whatever I need to on my car. Got my charging over here. Now, on the inside of the cart, it comes with an outlet, 3 outlets, and 2 USB ports. The USB ports are 125 volts, 60 hertz, and 15 amps. The USB ports are 2.1 amp. So that's pretty good in terms of charging. I got my Alexa hooked up. Alexa, good morning.
Good morning, and happy birthday to my favorite comedian, Steve Martin, born on this day in 1945. Why do I love Steve Martin? 'Cause I'm a wild and crazy AI.
Alexa always cheers me up. So,
Sorry, I don't know that, but I do have a skill you might like. It's called Cheer Me Up. Wanna try it?
not right now, Alexa. So anyway, up here, I bought a light from Home Depot, and it has 3 settings. So that's off, That's its highest setting, that's its medium setting, and that's its low setting. Now, the high setting, it will work for 5 hours. The medium setting will work for 7 to 8 hours, and the low setting will go for, I think, between 8 and 10 hours, somewhere around there. So it's pretty good. All right, going down to the bottom of the drawer. Now this is the 141 piece set that I removed from the cart. So this cart over here came with all this tools, which is pretty nice. It comes with a 1/4 inch ratchet and 1/3/8 ratchet. I bought this separately. It's a flex head. There's a couple wrenches, some Allen keys, a little bit of extensions. It has 2 spark plug sockets. It has your Torx bits all in your hex bits. Now you do have metric and SAE sockets, deep and shallow. You do have your 7 all the way up to 11, and you got 10 millimeter all the way up to 17. And with the shallow sockets, you have 4 that go all the way up to 12, and 8 all the way up to 19. So you get a really wide range of sockets. For your SAE, you got 5/32 all the way up to half. You got a 1/4 inch all the way up to 7/8. For your deep sockets, goes from 3/8 all the way up to 3/4. So that's that drawer. This drawer I have my extensions in here. So you can see that my wrenches and my extension bars, they all fit quite nice in here, nice and deep. Moving on down. So I got my impact sockets right here, and they fit in this drawer very nicely. Doesn't hit the top. Got my cleaning supplies down here. And then on the bottom drawer, there is 2 of these, which is rated for 200 pounds. So right now I have some things in here just to give you an idea of what can go in here and how deep. And on the bottom, it has plastic wheels, but they are actually pretty good. So anyway, if you're interested in getting both of these, definitely take a look at them in store. And thank you for visiting my channel.